So if y'all want to see me go from this to this, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Otanique Friel, for those of you that do not know. How are you guys doing? Today I'll be showing you guys how I do everyday makeup, no makeup look. I'm only going to be using what these things called? I'm only going to be using concealer in this video. I'm not going to be using any type of foundation. It's just going to be a simple and quick makeup look. So I'm going to take a wipe. Normally I wash my face, but sometimes if I don't feel like going through all of that, I'll just take a wipe and I'll just make sure that my face is all clean. So I'm going to start off with these two concealers. This is Maybelline New York in the color Caramel, and this is LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Toast. This is like my go-to concealer right here. Okay, I'm gonna mix these two because this one I feel is a bit too light. So I just like to mix them. I put a little here, I put some here. This area is really dark for whatever reason. So I just like to go in with Toast just to brighten it up. So I'm gonna put some around my mouth. And I also go in and juice them over some dark spots that I have. I'm gonna take this same concealer and I'm just gonna make like a little ring around this one. So I'm almost finished. I need to get some new ones. I'm gonna blend all of this in first. I got and I'm just gonna blend this in. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I forgot to prep my skin. Y'all can tell I don't do my crap. I'm gonna do my brows real quick, guys. Alright, let's just conceal. I'm going in with Toast again to conceal my eyebrows. Got to go down there for it, so. Alright, so now that my brows are done, I'm just gonna do like a slight contour. You can use any one of these that you prefer to use. I'm gonna go in with, I think, this one. And I'm trying not to do too much. I'm just trying to do it lightly. Okay, so just a little touch. It making my nose look so round on the top. Gonna take my eyeliner pencil and I'm gonna see if I can find my little beauty spot. If not, I'll just make it my own. How about that? Added in some more beauty spots, and I'm just gonna, I wish I had my beauty blender so I could like pat it in, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of this powder and dab it over it, just so that it doesn't look so pronounced. I already have on some lip gloss, but y'all, my lip gloss is almost done. To finish off this look, I'm just gonna go in with some of this powder. And this is the finished product, guys. So I just realized I didn't film an outro for this video. Now I'm back to looking basic, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video, share my channel with a friend, an aunt, uncle, a mother, a bestie, a sister, a brother, and just hype up my channel. Thank you all so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.